What were
I
your activities today?
all days. In the morning, I get up
Mhm.
at 6 o'clock. Uh,
Okay.
then I I learn English to remember. At 7 o'clock, um, I go up. I go downstairs to eat breakfast. After I eat breakfast, I go upstairs to learn again.
Mm-hmm.
Then then I play with my little brother. After that, I go downstairs to have lunch with my family, and we have sleep together.
Wow, so sweet.
In the afternoon, I I get up at 3 o'clock and I learn math and English.
Mm-hmm.
5 o'clock, I go downstairs to do the after.
I went downstairs.
I went downstairs
Okay.
to work to cook with my brother,
Wow.
with my mother.
Okay, I thought with your brother. Okay. And
Then
then?
I then I I go out. I go out. I went out with my friends
Okay.
at 7 o'clock. I go home and have bath.
I
Then
went home.
I went home and have bath. Then I had lunch with my family. And at
Wow.
9:13, I learn online with you.
Okay, so you have a very colorful day because you had a lot of activities. Yeah, today. Wow, I'm very happy for you. Oh, yes. So what about tomorrow? What are you going to do?
I don't know. Well, I don't know. I think I will do this day. I do same this day.
So you will also do the same thing.
Yes.
Oh,
Uh,
yes.
I I have already find I have already asked how to cook watermelon. Do you want to hear?
Yes.
Uh, First, we boil the water. After we boiling, we put the watermelon into the water pot.
Wow.
Then we put the salt into the pot. We wait for about 5 minutes. Then we we take the watermelon out the pot and we put it in the dish
Mm-hmm.
and we eat the watermelon with sauce. It's very yummy.
Wow. Okay. So do you know what how to do it? Yeah, on your own?
Yes, I know. I do it. It's very interesting.
Wow. Okay. So how many minutes do you do that?
Uh, Sorry.
How many minutes do you do that? How many minutes it takes to do that? How
I
many
think.
hours?
Oh,
Yes, how
I
many
think
minutes or hours did you do that?
I think it's
Mm-hmm.
about 30 minutes to do that.
Mm-hmm.
I I want to I want to cook it anytime anymore because it's very interesting. I want to cook
Very
because
good.
um, because I want to take care for my family.
Wow. Okay, so I'm very happy to hear that. Okay, after cooking the vegetable, now you finish cooking it. What do you want to cook next?
Um, I want to
What
cook.
do you want to cook next? Chicken, beef, pork?
I want to cook many things. I don't know. I want to cook many things. My mother taught me to cook. To cook.
Wow, your mom is really doing a good job in teaching you how to cook.
Yes.
Oh,
Uh,
yes. Okay, how about like baking cakes? You know that? Do you also want to do how to bake cakes? Baking cakes? This one?
I don't. Yes, I like to baking cake because my family like to eat cake too, and I like to eat cake too because I do cake very yummy. And how about you?
Yes, I baked cake. Yeah, when I was studying. Yes, and I really love it. Yeah, I like the feeling of baking cakes.
Yes.
Yes.
Can I ask you some question?
Yes, of course. Yes, why? What about?
Are you married?
Going to?
and
Yes,
how
very near.
and how old are you?
Yeah, I already answered that to you then. Yeah, I'm already 37 years old.
You older than my mother and father.
Oh, really? Yes, I think so. Yes.
And
Yeah. So how old is your father?
my father is 36 years old, and my mother is 35 years old.
Oh, yeah. So quite near. Yes. And how old are you?
Me,
Yes.
I'm 10 years old.
You're 10 years old, so young, right? Okay. Yeah, so do you still have question for me? Yes, because you said, can I ask you question?
Where do you live?
Okay, so I live here in the Philippines. Have you heard about the Philippines? Have you
Yes,
heard about my country?
yes.
Philippines. Okay.
My father said in Philippines there are many storm. It destroys many houses. Is it?
Actually, that's true. Yeah, that is true. So, in the month of June, do you know June?
Yes,
June. Yes, from the month of June to December, you know December?
yes, I know too.
Yes. Okay, so from the month of June to December, we are visited by many typhoons in the Philippines. Yeah, so that's why we also call from June to December rainy season. Yes, rainy season. Yes. What about your country? Is your country also visited by typhoon?
No,
No.
yeah,
So, what kind of natural phenomena do you have there in your country? Nothing?
I think it's nothing because I have I not just learn it.
Mm-hmm.
And
Uh-huh.
what province do you live? Do you live
Okay,
in
yes.
Manila?
Yes, I am living in Manila. I don't have my province. I grew up here in Manila. Yes.
How many how many how many brothers, how many daughters and son do you have?
Oh, I'm not yet married. I don't have daughters and son yet, right? Yeah, so maybe you want to ask me like how many sisters and brothers do I have,
Yeah.
right? Okay, so I have two sisters and one brother.
Really? Do
Yes.
they do they live with you?
Yeah, so we are here in the house. My sister is already married and she is in Singapore now with her family.
Mhm.
Yes. So that's my third, yeah, second sister, second sister.
I think you live you didn't married. You very sad, so you bought nine God to play with you. Is it? I think.
No, not really. I am not sad. I actually enjoy it because I can learn swimming. Yes, I can do dancing. I go to the gym.
Hmm?
Yes, I go to the gym and I always be with my friends. Yes. And I do my passion. I buy whatever I want. Yeah, so it's not really sad at all. And I don't like to get married yet. Yes, I don't like yet because I still enjoy being single. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so do you still have question for teacher?
What is the
Uh-huh.
scenery? What is the scenery behind you? Is the fake scenery?
This one?
No, these have the table and the chairs. Many tables and chairs.
This one?
Yeah, it's
Those ones? This is just what we call as virtual background. Yes, virtual background. Don't you have it? I guess you also have one. Yes, virtual background. Do you want me to show you how? Okay, I'm going to share my screen to you and I will show you how you can also do this, okay? So you have to go here, okay? And then here, can you see my screen?
I see.
Yes, and then in the setting, okay, setting, you have to go to audio and video. And here, I am prompt into different backgrounds. So I can change my background into another thing. Here, let me have this one. Okay, can you see? I changed my background.
Wow. It's
Yes, so
very,
you can also do the same. Why don't you do it? Yes.
oh, I can't do it.
Oh, yeah, that's why I share my screen to you because I'm showing you how you can do it. So now my background is a sky, right?
It's very pretty. I
Really pretty, right? Yeah. So, okay, let's try one more thing. Okay. So, what do you want to see? Anything you want to see on my background? Yeah. So, let me have another one. Okay. Yeah, there's a lot actually. There's a lot of backgrounds here. Uh-huh.
real. What is your real
So,
scenery? I want to see the real scenery. Real.
the real scenery. Okay. So if that is the case, I am just going in here.
I think the real scenery is very pretty.
This is not my real scenery. My real scenery is this green.
Is a part,
Can you see that?
but are you is the part behind you?
Which one? This one?
Yes.
My hairband. And yeah, I am using this. Yeah, I'm always using this, and the hairband. Yeah, I love hairband. This is turban, and then this is hairband. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, it's just green. Yeah, my background is real green. Yes. Okay, so let me give you a very colorful background. Uh-huh. Okay, why don't you try it? What are you using now? What are you using now? I think you can also have your own background there. Okay, I love this one too. So I'm going to use this when it's already December, but I will share to you like this. Yeah. Yeah, so maybe I'm going to settle here. Yeah. What can you say about my background? Do you like it?
Yes, but
See that? Yeah, it looks real, right?
yes, it's look great.
Yes. Okay, how about this one?
Oh, it's look real too. It's very pretty.
Very
Scenery.
pretty. Can you see that? When can you see the pumpkin with a face? When? When do you see a pumpkin with a face? What's the occasion you see a pumpkin with a face? What occasion? Do you know Halloween?
Yes, I know Halloween.
Yeah, so Halloween. So this is like Happy Halloween, right? Another one. Okay, this one.
What is this date? And
What?
I is Christmas?
Christmas, yeah. So when it's already Christmas, I will use this. Yeah, for Christmas. Yeah, see that? Yeah, there's a lot of background. Yeah, okay. So I just settled here. Mm, yeah. Does it look real?
Yes,
Oh
it,
yeah. Okay, it really looks real, right? Oh yes. Okay, so what can you say? Is it good?
yes, it's good.
Oh yes. Why don't you try to use the background?
Uh, I don't have this
Which one?
more. Let me.
So you can also change your background. Yeah. Anyway, is that your room? Are you in your room?
Yes, I'm in my room.
Okay.
And, uh,
Yes, you have a very nice room, I guess. Yeah, what are you using? What is that? Why are you doing this to your hand?
I'm playing with my hands.
Oh yeah, you're
My
uh-huh.
hand.
Uh-huh. Why playing with your hands? I thought you are doing the background. Yes. Ah, okay. Yeah, so you're playing that. I also have it here. Yes, and this one. I usually use this one to my students who really have a perfect score. Yeah, whenever we have something. Yes. Okay, so don't you really want to try the background? Don't you really want to try the background?
Don't like because my
Uh-huh.
room is very busy now.
Oh, yes. Okay, so no problem with that. Anyway, you can explore. You can look at that or you can try it anytime you want. Yes. Okay, so I guess I'm still in sharing my screen to you. Let me now drive the class here. Okay, I hope you can still remember this. You have your message? Yes, what is your message? Oh,
I think it's not this topic.
yes, this is not the topic. Yes, can you still remember the topic that we have? I can still remember it. Yeah, what about you?
I I still remember. I think it's question about teams.
Yes, it's about themes, and particularly we are.
Where what is your no?
Yes,
What
last time, last class, we had food, right? Yeah, that's why we became hungry. You know what? After our class, I really ate. Yes, I ate. Yeah, after our class, like, okay, I have like my 5 minute break and I ate because I'm hungry. I was hungry after our class.
class
Yes,
is it?
how about you? Again, please.
After you break, you have another class.
Yes, after our class, I still have another class. Yes. Okay, so and before that, before I meet my next class, after our class, I tried to eat something. How about you?
I'm I drink milk with little brother. The milk is in refrigerator. It's very cool, and so I want to eat it.
Oh yes. Okay, so milk is really delicious too. I love it. Okay, so maybe we can start the next one. This one. Can you read it, Lisa?
What is one thing that your mom, dad makes for dinner that you just can't stand?
can stand. Do you understand the question?
Yes, I understand. It's
Okay.
nothing. Every food is very yummy and is very fit for me. It's very suitable with me.
Okay, so all of your mom or dad's prepared food during dinner are delicious.
Very delicious. Everything is suitable with me.
Okay, so there's like nothing is wasted, everything is very delicious. You are eating them all.
Yes.
Okay, yes, yeah. I want to join you. I want to join your family in eating because you have delicious food. Okay, yeah, so let's go to the next question here.
Your kind of ice cream,
What is your favorite?
your favorite kind of ice cream.
Yes.
My favorite kind of ice cream is, let me think, a lot of
Here we go.
a
Yes.
kind of ice cream. I don't know what I can choose. What I can choose.
How
Man,
about the flavor? Flavor.
can you repeat before? I don't know.
Flavor. Okay, I will give you a picture of my favorite ice cream, okay? So my favorite ice cream is flavored coffee crumble. Are you familiar with that? Coffee crumble. This one. Here. Yes, this is my favorite kind of ice cream. Can you see it?
I think
So can you see coffee crumble? This is the flavor. Okay? The flavor is okay, flavor. Coffee crumble. How about you? What flavor of ice cream that is your favorite?
I don't know. Many of ice cream is suitable with me. It's very yummy. I don't know.
So all flavors are okay with you.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Okay, so yeah, almost all ice creams are very delicious. Yeah, yeah, refreshing, right? Okay, so what about this one? Can you read this one and answer it?
Your favorite kind of candy?
Yes. Do you have a favorite kind of candy?
Yes, is candy floss because it's very soft and it have many sugar in it. I like to eat it, but my parents said when you eat sugar, it's not good for my health. So I have to eat this.
Okay, so you have to eat what? Less of candy.
Many
Oh,
sugar
huh? Yeah, so you eat less candy or you don't really eat candy anymore.
candy.
Okay, so you love candy.
Yes, I love candy so much.
Really? Yes. It's okay to eat candy. However, you have to brush your teeth after you eat candy.
Hey,
Yes, right?
yeah,
Okay.
you too.
Um, in my case, I don't like candy. I don't like lollipop. What I want is chocolate. I love chocolate so much.
Oh, I don't like chocolate because my little brother and I said it's very bitter.
Oh, really? Oh, yes. So, there are also chocolate with milk, so they are not bitter.
Chocolate with
Yeah.
is my favorite too, favorite kind of candy too. But my favorite kind of candy is still candy floss.
Oh, yeah, the candy floss. I think so because yeah, it has like a very soft filling, and very sweet too. Yes, the candy floss. Okay, how about this one? What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red because it's a lucky colors and is Vietnam flag colors. I like
Mm-hmm,
this picture.
yes. You know what? I saw the flag of Vietnam and I am very surprised about it. Yes, let me just give it to you. This is your flag, right?
Oh no, my flag the red
Yes.
flag with a yellow stars
Star, right? Okay.
and
Yes.
and what about your flag?
Okay, so my flag has a lot of colors. Okay, so wait for a while. Yeah, I am going to send you something.
Um, After we class, I will set my mother um, to mothers to fight the Philippines flag. I want to see the Philippine flag.
I will show you later, okay? Yes, don't worry. But I just have a question about your flag. Okay. So this is your flag, right?
Can you
Yes, this one is your flag, right?
yes, this is my flag.
Yes. Why the what is the meaning of your flag? Do you know? Do you know the meaning of your flag? Why you have one big star in the middle of red? And do you know why?
I don't know too, but I know what is the meaning of the red flag. Is the blood of the people who fight with everyone to the the country.
Okay, so the red in your flag means blood. Blood. Okay, it's not blood, it's blood. Okay, let me type it. Okay, it's blood. Oh no 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 no, not that one. It's BLOO. It's blood. Can you say that? Blood.
Yes, I can see.
Yes, it's blood. Okay, so you mean like the red in your flag means blood. Whose blood? Whose blood? Whose blood is it? Vietnam people?
Yes,
Oh yeah,
Vietnam
Vietnam
people
people.
who protect the country.
Oh yeah, very good. Wow, how about the star? And why the star is yellow?
I don't know. I still know the red.
Oh yeah, only the red. Okay, so I'm going to show you my flag. Yeah, this one. Can you see? Yeah,
Oh,
it has many colors like blue, red, white, and yellow. Yes, okay. You can see there on the white part, in the left part, you can see there that we have sun, right? And then the
many
sun,
stars.
yeah, the sun has how many rays? I think it's eight, right? And then the stars, we have three there because the star tries to represent the three main land of the Philippines, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, because the Philippines is actually composed of different islands. Yeah, the Philippines is composed of different islands. And then we have three big islands in the Philippines. Yes. And this is the stars. These are the stars. Yeah. Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. One, two, three. Three stars. Yes. And then the sun is actually representing how many rays is this? two, four. Okay, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Yes, I said. So the eight rays in the sun, it tries to represent the eight regions in the Philippines. Yes. So why we have red? I think, yeah, we have also our hero who fought for the country's freedom. Yes. And we have blue because Filipino wants peace. Blue is for peace.
Beach.
Peace. Yes, blue means peace. So Filipino people want peace. Yes, so that's the meaning of our flag. Yes. Why you're so happy there? Yeah, you're smiling.
It have many color in it. It's very beautiful.
Yes, yeah, it's really beautiful. And also your flag is beautiful. Maybe you have to tell me the meaning of the yellow star in the next class that we are going to have, right? So you can explain to teacher what is the complete meaning of your flag, right? Right? Oh yeah. So in our next class, Lisa, you have to tell teacher what is the meaning of yellow star in your flag. Okay, is that okay with you? Oh yes. Okay, so thank you so much for that. Oh yes. Okay, I'm very excited. Yeah, that you will tell me the meaning of the the yellow star in your flag. Yes. Your flag is very simple, but I think this is really meaningful. Yes. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Wow. So from the color, then we go to the flag. Yes. How about the next one?
Is your oh oh what is your favorite zoo animal?
Yeah. Wow.
Is Mountain Safari Zoo next to my province. Is
Uh-huh.
far from my house about let me think 70 kilometers far.
Wow.
It's very far.
Okay. So you went to the zoo and the zoo is very far from your house. Now the question is, what is your favorite zoo animal?
I already tell you.
Oh yes, yeah. What is that again?
Animal is
Oh yeah,
Mountain
yeah. You're choppy, that's why. Yes.
Safari Zoo.
Safari. Yeah, safari. Yes. Safari is a place, right? Safari is a zoo. Yeah, now it says your favorite zoo animal. You have to give me a name of the animal.
Uh, uh, then
Yes, any in my case I think I love to see, not really favorite, but I love to see monkey. Yes.
yes, I want to see monkey too, but
Mm.
many monkeys very naughty. This
Yes.
time, my family went to the this zoo, and when my mother stand near the naughty monkey,
Mm-hmm.
is take my my glass of my mother. He jumped in on the tree. He he played the glass. My mother have to wait about 1 hour, and he puts the glass down the ground to my mother. It's very lucky because
Mm-hmm.
my mother glass is very expensive.
Oh. Okay, so you mean to say that the monkey took away your mom's eyeglasses?
Okay, my mom glasses. And
Yes, yeah, uh-huh.
do you understand my meaning?
Yes, I understand what you want to say. So you want to say like the monkey took away
Took away my
my mom's eyeglasses. So this is what you want to say, right? The monkey took away my mom's eyeglasses. Okay? Am I correct?
Yes.
Oh,
And
yeah.
he put
Uh-huh.
down the glasses in the ground to my mother. It's very lucky.
Yes, it's really lucky because you know what? The monkey doesn't really care. Yeah, they don't care about people. And then when they steal things, yeah, steal things to people, they don't care. They don't care if they can still return it or not. Yes. So your mom is very lucky to have the eyeglasses, her eyeglasses once again. Yeah. Okay. So be careful with monkeys, especially in the zoo. Okay. So yeah, I guess I want to see them in the zoo. What else I want to see? Um, I want to see a snake. Yeah, just see. Okay, not touch. I don't like to touch it. Yes, I want to see a snake and giraffe. Are you familiar with giraffe?
You
Oh, I
like
cannot. Yes, I cannot hear you. From yeah, for a time I cannot hear you. Like your sound becomes choppy.
and I will speak loudly. Um,
Okay.
you like to see a python? A python, like a snake, is bigger than the snake, and is scary than is more scary than the snake. Do you know?
Okay. Why did you say that python is more? It's scarier than a snake. Why did you say that?
Because it's bigger than the snake and is what? It's very strong. I have I have watched in the TV. Watch this in the TV. It's very scary. When I see the python eating animal and people.
Yes. So, yeah, that's really dangerous. But anyway, I just want to see them in the zoo because I know that they are in the cage. Yes, cage. So they cannot do anything bad to people because
Yes.
they are in the cage.
And I want to see a crocodile because although they are scary, but they are in the cage too. It's very interesting when I see it.
What is that? Crocodile? Do you say crocodile?
Very scary, but I
Uh-huh.
still want to see it. I think if we run away, we will dangerous.
Yes, I don't like them. I am very afraid of crocodile because they are eating people. I don't like that.
And I'm scared of the monkey because it take many days of us.
Yeah, so monkey also you have to really get away of the monkeys. Yes, because they will really get your things, especially if you have food, especially if you have banana because they like banana, right?
Monkey in the cage, I really like to see it, and I want to fish for them. For it, for they because it's very interesting.
Yes.
I last time I still remember when I eating lollipop, I
Mm-hmm.
see the monkey is very naughty, play with other monkey. I
Mm-hmm.
think it's very very hungry. I I that is the I give it the lollipop and
Mm-hmm.
very happy um, to lollipop. Then I'm very happy too.
Okay, so did they say thank you? Or like a gesture like they are thanking you? Did they smile?
Yes, they smile and they show me it's very cute.
Yes, really cute. They are cute, but they are naughty. That's why if they are in the cage, it's okay. But if they are just outside, yeah, you have to prepare and be careful with your things. Take care of your things. Because if you're not going to take care of your things, they will get your things. Anything that you have, especially if you have food. Yeah. Okay, so let's go now to the next one. Can you read it?
Yes. What is your favorite time of year?
Yes, can you say favorite?
Favorite,
Okay, favorite.
favorite.
That's it. Okay, what is your favorite time of the year? I'm excited to know that.
That, did you know that?
What is that?
What is that?
Yes.
That, let me explain for you.
Yes.
That is that is very funny. When that I we can guess the lucky money from our relative,
Okay.
but the child only child gets money, lucky money,
Hmm.
and if many yummy food
Wow.
like bánh trứng, do you know bánh trứng?
No, I don't know it. Yes, I think we don't have it here in the Philippines. Yeah, what is it like? Is it meat?
Yes. Let me explain about the bánh trứng. Bánh trứng
Okay.
is trứng cake. It's like trứng cake. It have the green sticky rice
Hmm.
and beans, jelly beans, and pork. Very yummy. But when I eat the beans, it's not a dessert.
Oh, wow. So very interesting. Yeah, so you mean you have it whenever it's set? You have it on the table. You prepare that, yeah, whenever it is set.
That lasts for 3 days.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, so do you mean that Tet is your new year?
That is New Year.
Uh-huh, okay. Yes, I've heard about your new year. And I believe that it lasted for 10 days or 3 days.
3 days.
Oh, yeah, 3 days. Wow, very, very interesting. Yes, it lasted for 3 days. Okay, so that is the time of the year that you like. That is the favorite time of the year that you like.
And what's your time of the year? Do you like it?
Okay, I want my birthday, but above my birthday, I like Christmas. Are
Huh?
you aware? Have you heard about Christmas Day?
Yes, in Vietnam, it's have Christmas too.
Yeah. So do you also celebrate Christmas?
No, I no. I just happy with this day. I everyone don't celebrate the
Everyone doesn't.
and doesn't celebrate Christmas.
Uh-huh.
Mm, they only happy and sing the Christmas song. And how are you?
Okay, so um Christmas Day in the Philippines is very, very extravagant. Yeah, this is really a big party. This is really a big event. All people are very happy and they prepare delicious food. Yes,
Oh,
of course, on the table. And aside from that, they also give money to children, just like Lucky Money you're saying a while ago. Yeah, so we also have it here for children. If not Lucky Money, they are receiving gifts.
yes, it's like that.
Mm, very
Mm.
interesting, right? Yes, it is very interesting. Yes. And during Christmas, that's the time that we put decoration. Yeah, the one in the background you see on me. Yeah, the decoration for Christmas, like there's Christmas tree, yes, and Christmas lights and so on. Yeah,
And
so that is during Christmas. Yeah, we really really like it here. Yeah, sometimes for Filipino people, if they have problem, even though it's still January, they already listen to Christmas song.
and
Yes.
yes, um, we have to celebrate and decorate the house with many trees like peach blossom.
Mm-hmm.
My mother's and father's last year
Mm-hmm.
to celebrate the date. It's very fun and
Wow.
Tanya có vấn đề.
have many yummy food like Christmas. I think that.
Wow. Yes. Okay. So I believe that. And um, based on what I've heard from you, you said you also have many trees inside your house. Maybe you mean like the decoration? Yeah, there is the decoration. Hi, good evening. Yes, good evening. Yes. So there is the decoration there, like the tree and then the flower inside your house. Oh yeah, so very, very interesting. Yes, you have there. Yes, during the Tet celebration. Okay, what else aside from the lucky money and then the decoration and delicious food that you have during Tet? Nothing more? So how do you prepare yourself? Do you have a beautiful dress?
Yes, I have a date. I wear the beautiful dress
Hmm.
and many pretty clothes. It
Wow.
is very fun. I love that.
Oh yes, I think so. It's really fun because you can get a lot of lucky money, right? So who
Correct.
gave you lucky money?
Where is it over there? Is in
Lucky
my
money is safe in
yes.
piggy.
Wow, piggy bank. Very good. Yes. Wow, you have a lot of lucky money. Very good. You try to save your lucky money. And who gave you lucky money? Who gave you
My
lucky money?
my
Oh
relative,
yeah.
like my parents, my
Okay.
parents, my uncle, my
Wow.
auntie.
Wow, that's why you have a lot of lucky money. What do you want to buy with your lucky money?
I have a big plan to buy a big bicycle,
Yes. Okay, so
smaller bicycle, and my parents said when I grow up I will buy a bigger bicycle.
Yes, yes. So you started with skating, right? And
Yes.
then now with the bicycle, and then when you grow up, bigger bicycle. Very
Teacher.
good.
Then in Vietnam is a New Year. Lunar New Year.
Mm, I see. Okay, so the Tet is the Lunar New Year. Yes. Oh yeah. So I've heard that you celebrate Lunar New Year for like more than 10 days. 10 days? Yeah, I've heard. I don't know if it's correct. Oh yes. Okay, so very nice. Yeah, Lunar New Year. Yes. Okay, so when will be the next Lunar New Year? Do you know? Do you know when will be the next Lunar New Year? I remember that the Lunar New Year this year it was February, right? February, month of February.
Yes, it's in February.
Oh
It's
yeah.
it's in 31st of
Uh-huh.
it's in 31st of December.
Lunar New Year.
Yes.
Oh. So do you mean the next Lunar New Year will be on the 31st of December?
But
Yes.
first of January Lunar New Year.
Oh, wow, it's changing. The date is changing for Lunar New Year. Very interesting. Yeah, it's really different with what we use. We use solar calendar and you're using lunar calendar. Wow, okay, very interesting on that point. Okay, so it's really nice talking with you. Oh, yes, Lisa. So we're going to have more of our very, very talkative class. Okay. Yeah, so thank you so much for this time that you spend in our class. Yes, and I hope you have a very nice evening ahead with your family. Oh, yes. Okay, take care, okay? And I'll see you again in our next class. Bye. Bye
Bye.
everyone there. Bye.
You,
Good night. Thank
you
you.
nice you nice